So this is the snow. It's really winter now. So this year it just started just now for a lot. So you guys, I'm gonna drive. Let's go. I'm gonna show you my... So this is me. I'm Santa Claus driving on the road. Let's do this. Right, to have to be careful, guys. It's very slippery, and I see the car. It seems like very close. What happened? My gloves is wet. I was cleaning my car. Woo! Woo! Right? Let's do this, guys, for the love and sick. It's a winter wonderland. So I don't know, the car seems like very close to me today. It's just like the adjustment. I think this morning it's hard to see the line of the parking lot. No line, so people just can park anywhere. That it's covered the snow. So the the snow start last night before I went to bed until now. I think now it's already kind of stopped. It stopped, but yeah, it's really wintry now. It's a wintry view now. Yeah, I just have to be careful. I'm hungry. At my company, they have lunch today because, you know, I did not know I signed up for day off. I mean, half day off. I supposed to leave like 2 hours earlier today, but then I end up has to work a paperwork, so that's why. So I'm just gonna drive slow as much as I can. I'm chicken shit. I'm chicken shit. I'm sure the road now is plow, so if I go to freeway, it's plow. But I'm going to go to straight on the back road. So it might take a while for me to get home today. Instead of 8 to 5 minutes, I will be driving slow. I'm a slow today, guys. Sorry. There's cars behind me. It looks like... Are you okay? He's going that way, so he's going to my work. Maybe the person needs to go to eat. So this is, guys, this is Minnesota today. Minnesota. So I'm gonna drive slow as much as I can. I'm doing 25 miles per hour. 25 miles per hour instead of 40. I'm on the back road, so usually the back road is kind of slow instead of 40. I'm doing right now. It's a red light, so I had to. It's red lights. I had to stop. It's Thursday. It's my last day of work for this year. We don't come back until next year, January 2nd. So guys, let's go. I can feel, oh my god, sorry, my car is slippery because I put in the 2. I'm supposed to do that in 4. Okay, there you go. Oh my god, and 4. What's wrong with my car? I'm supposed to do this when I'm not running. Sorry. To? What the heck? There you go. I'm in 4-wheel drive now. Please wait for me. Do not turn yet because snow, guys. The look only. I like the snow, but not to drive. It's 27 degrees today. It's cold for other people. It's cold for me also. But some people like this snow because they're gonna play. They're going to play and slide. They're going to like tubing. It's fun. I did one time tubing. Please don't bump me. I'm slower. There's car behind me. Please don't bump me. I need to drive slow. I need to be driving slow. Chicken, guys. Chicken shit here. Chicken shit driving here, guys. Now I'm in 4-wheel drive. It was 2-wheel. No wonder why it was. Even have 4 wheels had to be careful, you know. So there's people walking on the street. So maybe this guys is just, wait, please, why you're on the road? Please don't do that. Dangerous. You're supposed to walk on the sides, not on the road. Come on. Yeah. Actually, I think in freeway is better. It's nice, clear. But this is the church. I am using the back road. I'm not too far from work, which is I do like it. I have a dentist appointment later at 2:30, so don't go yet. Oi. Oh my God, did not wait for. Some people probably already stopped but cannot handle. It goes. It's when you try to stop and then it just slip away. It's just slippery. So. Driveway maybe a lot of snow now. I do not. I see the car is swinging. The car is swinging because the road is swinging all the way. Right now, the Santa Claus is driving to town. Oh, you better watch out. You better watch out. The snow is slippery. The snow is slippery. No one's plowing the road. Where are they? They did this morning, but maybe this afternoon again. So, I did not know the high school still have school. I guess maybe today is their last day and then holiday break time, winter break. My gosh. Da. I see. The Santa Claus is driving to home. Oh, you better watch out. The road is slippery. Better not cry. You have to drive carefully. I have a new song. Da. Where am I now? Sometimes the snow it's covered the road, so I can't see the line, guys. Promise. The snow, it looks fun to see, but it's not fun to drive. How long did I drive here, guys? Okay. There's no car. Okay. Santa Claus is coming to town. There you go. gosh, see over here, if the roads been using too many times, then it's like this. But the one I was driving past, it's a lot of snow because not a lot of cars driving yet. So over here, it's, you can see the road is dark because a lot of cars driving by. So this one right here, going towards to my house. It's nice. Ooh. This is not a lot, but yeah, this is normally not a lot for now, but it will add up. This year it did not start earlier, so December 19th today. So we did have some snow on Thanksgiving, a little. It's pretty normal. I think Thanksgiving, no, we did not on Thanksgiving. It was Halloween, I forgot. It was on Halloween. The Thanksgiving was just fine. It was probably raining. No, it wasn't raining. So at this moment, as you can see, the winter is showing. There's a lot of cars over here. I had experience, I was spinning, like turning in circle. So that's why I have to be careful. So I was lucky there's no cars coming on that time. La 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 da 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 da. Look at this. Look at this. I'm on the top of the bridge. I'm almost home. So you will see my driveway. I believe there is a lot of snow because my husband not home. He's at work. He works hard today. So look at this. Look at this, our neighborhood, guys. Very white. It's a white Christmas is coming to town. Better watch out. I better not cry. I better not pout. I'm telling you why. So now I will look at my driveway, guys. Let me see if I can get through. I believe so. This is not much. Last time I was stuck. But there's a big box in what did my husband order. So guys, my car is, we are here now in my driveway. I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna fish you guys that. Look at the Santa Claus is so silly, guys. Look at here. I'll show you. Look at the snow. Isn't it pretty, guys? So thanks for watching me and follow. I appreciate. Bye bye. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.